Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today with this really interesting neon kit, which is a do-it-yourself kit. And if you are like myself and your strongest point is not the creativity, then Dekala has a lot of tutorials, a lot of ideas that we can follow, and this is actually one of their ideas that I did follow using the app, and I'll share with you in just a few moments. Before we do, if you are looking for a budget key for your Windows 10, Windows 11 Home Edition or Pro Edition, don't forget to check out B&H Software, which is a platform that we have been using for the past few months. A great experience, easy to purchase, easy to activate, everything legit, so no issues at all in recommending, and I will leave a link down below just in case you want to check that out. So this is a do-it-yourself neon sign kit with all the advantages and some disadvantages, probably for those that are not creative, but once again, there are solutions for that. This is RGB IC technology, which is a little bit different from RGB. And just out of curiosity, the RGB IC, which is right over here, one of the main advantages is that on the same strip, it will be able to display several colors, like it is right over here. Unlike the regular RGB LEDs, for example, that can only display one color at each side. This kit that I've got right over here is the 3.8 meters. There are other two models available on the website, which I will leave a link down below just in case you want to check that out. And one is 2.8 meters and the other one 5.2 meters, but if I'm mistaken, I will put something there on screen. Now inside the kit, in my particular case, the 3.8, we will find all the accessories that we will need, including two 70 centimeters strips, along with seven 35 centimeters strips with USB Type-C, female and male on each side. It also comes with all the accessories, as you can see, the plastic stickers for the wires, the plastic stickers for the strips, so everything. In terms of the setup, I did this right over here. I'm not really proud. I believe that I can improve a little bit, but it was easy. I did follow one of the ideas that Dekala has on the app. We also find it on the manual, but I found it easier to follow the app, and I believe that's probably 20 to 30 minutes top with everything assembled, including the cable management. Now the cable management was one of the things that I thought it's a bit more tricky. Those hooks that we will glue and we can put the wires, but I believe that it's not a perfect cable management. So I would suggest, and probably that's what I'm going when I put this on my setup, which I need to decide where. This is just a temporary setup, and then I will need to decide where I'm going to put and what drawer I will use on my main setup. But in terms of the cable management, I believe that I'm going to put a little bit of tape so that the wires will be on their final position. That's the only thing that I see that we could improve a little bit to get it a little bit more a clean installation. But once we finish that, we just need to put in the cables, cable management, and that is it. In terms of controlling the neon kit, we have two ways. One is manually with a remote control that comes included, connected via USB Type-C, and we have 9 effects and so on and so forth. But my favorite is the app. We download the app for iOS or Android, and we have the same options that we have on manual, but it's a lot faster and more intuitive, at least in my opinion. We have 9 presets, like the rainbow, fire, holiday. Holiday seems like fireworks and things like that. Really, really nice. Although I believe that they have one called firework. I'm not really sure. Now, in each of those, we will be able, at least on most of them, we will be able to change the colors. We have the full palette of colors, and we will be also able to change the brightness and the speed of the animation that we are using. Besides that, the app will also let us schedule to turn on and turn off, and also to sleep aid. So it will put something really smooth to let us help fall asleep. I did not try that because this is not on my room, but it is a really nice feature. It also has the time setting and the positioning. And that is it. Once we have it, great. Now, I would suggest that don't limit yourself to this idea. They have a lot of tutorials, including on the YouTube channel. So I'll try to leave a link down below, or you can find it on the website, which is down below as well. And you can see some tutorials that Dekala has there with installations and so on and so forth, which will help you to decide which design you will follow. Now, I did follow design, but if you check out the draw that they have in the original video, it is different from mine. So I believe that at the end, we will always have something that it's not a copy from the original. It is something that it's derived, but to me, it is original because I did it and it's not the same that they have on there. That being said, hope that the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget to leave that thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, Jorge, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.